In this video, I am going to show you how to print a chart in Google Sheets. So currently, at the time of creating this video, there is not a way to directly print your chart from Google Sheets. I mean, you can select your chart and come up to the top here and select print. But this is also going to print your data here too that you have in your spreadsheet. So this might be fine for you if you want that there, but if you don't want that there, I'm going to show two different methods to just print the chart and not what is surrounding in your spreadsheet. So these are pretty easy methods. The first method I'm going to show is just save your chart as a PDF and then print the PDF. So to do that, what you need to do is select your chart, and then you should see this three-dot menu in the top right corner. And then what you want to do is download PDF document, and then you can save this chart on your computer, and then you can open this with whatever you want. So I'm going to open this with Google Chrome, and so now I just have the chart in Google Chrome, and from here I can select print, and now you can see just my chart will print out. So you can select which printer and select print. So that's one option, is saving it as a PDF document and then printing the PDF. The other option that I'm going to show is just copying this into a Google Doc file and printing the Google Doc file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up to this three-dot menu on my chart, and I'm going to select copy chart, and then I'm going to open up a Google Doc, and from here you can paste. It's going to ask you then if you want to link to spreadsheet or paste unlinked. I am just going to paste unlinked. And so then I select paste, and you can see now I have just the chart in this Google Doc. And from here, you can print. And so you print, select your printer, and then the blue print button at the bottom. And then that will also print your chart. So those are two different options for printing your chart in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.